taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. Feels like I just sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want
Hi guys, hi my lovies, hi my bookies. Welcome to our beach day vlog. Stay tuned for more. This is Adele, the daughter of Diary. Vlog out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Lorenzo _ Mbego. If you are new to this channel, I just want to say welcome, babe. Yeah, and if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back, bestie. You know, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
So without wasting any further time, guys, let's just get into the vlog.
Alright.
So this vlog is basically on a day in my life vlog, if I'm not mistaken. We're at the beach, and yeah, it's a big day. Yeah.
Yep.
Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let yourself go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down.
So guys, we've arrived at the beach, and I think we are going to go and get food and snacks. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs, and I think by the time I post this vlog, we'll be at 200 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you so much, and yeah, please enjoy and spend the day with me.
Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I buzz it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy.
Okay, let's do it.
Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smart. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head
not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know. I leave you lonely. Found out do you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall?
My gosh, that bad.
I need to. I just need to go.
So guys, that was it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, see you guys next time. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this a weekly or unfiltered days in my life vlog, but we enjoyed. Like, it was amazing.
I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you